Josh Radnor sneezes, rather than screams, for ice cream. In this week's issue of People, on newsstands Friday, the actor, 48, says that the last thing he discovered about himself was that he might have some kind of milk allergy because when I eat ice cream, I sneeze for 20 minutes. It sucks because I love ice cream, Radnor says. Jenny's Ice Cream is from Columbus, Ohio, which is my hometown, and I love their salty caramel flavor. I don't even want to talk about it, it's so sad. According to Verywell Health, sneezing after eating can occur for a number of reasons, including allergies. Food allergies occur when the immune system mistakenly reacts to a protein found in a specific food as if it were harmful, the outlet writes. Milk is among the list of common allergens. Other causes of sneezing after eating include gustatory rhinitis, a food-associated runny nose that typically occurs after eating hot or spicy foods, and snattiation reflex, a sneezing reflex that occurs when the stomach is full after eating a large meal. Radnor, who stars in the final season of Prime Video's Hunters premiering January 13, spoke to People for one last thing. Last road trip, I drove from Columbus, Ohio, to Nashville a couple times with my dog Nelson to record some new music earlier this year. He's 2.5 and an unbelievable travel partner. Last time I was recognized, when I went to sing at the War Child Canada Gala in Toronto. I made sure to apologize to the audience for all the Canada jokes on how I met your mother. Last moment of gratitude, every night before falling asleep, my girlfriend, whose identity remains private, and I list 3 things we're grateful for, big or small. I'm really trying to make it a practice. Last time my dog made me laugh, I had to put Nelson in daycare, and he came out with a totally different personality. We were worried, like, what happened in there? But a few days later he was back to himself. Teenagers. Hunters Season 2 premieres January 13 on Prime Video.